living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Um, I am going out today for some mini golf, and I've been once before, but that's it. And I don't know what's the situation with my hair, but yeah, it's kind of flat. But okay, whatever. But yeah, Cody and Cindy are hosting this mini golf thing, and this is new um, place called Pop Stroke. It's by north of Austin, and yeah, it's actually from Tiger Woods. He built not him, but it's his company. But anyways, Tiger Wolf, Tiger Woods is a golf legend. Yeah, so okay, let's go, guys. I'm waiting for them to arrive, but they should be here soon in about 5 minutes. So bababa ako, and I'll go down and I'm gonna get my wallet, and we'll wait for Cody and Cindy. They're supposed to pick me up because I'm gonna carpool. I don't want to drive because the traffic's so bad and it's Friday, right? Um, yeah, and I'm gonna put on my shoes real quick. So hold on, just a sec. Oops, mismatched socks. I'm very hungry. I'm really hungry. Ta-da! Oh, nothing changed. Wait, hold on. Let me show you my outfit. Tara! OTD. Yan guys. Sure. I have my Nike Hirachis, some shorts, comfy shorts, some oversized, not oversized tee, but it's my Uniqlo. No, I don't think it's Uniqlo. Oh, this is the Filipino brand. I forgot what it was. Gustong gusto ko nga to. Every time I go to Pinas, I forgot what it is. Yeah, I forgot. Pero yeah, it's a Filipino brand. I'm gonna tell you guys mamaya. Gonna ask Cody and Cindy to look at the tag. But I really love this. Every time umuwi ako sa Pinas, I always buy a bunch of these. And they're decently priced too. So yeah, I think it's my mirror's kind of dirty, but yeah. So yan yung OTD, and I got my handy dandy bag. Yeah. So I'll go down now. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. What's up?
It's your Uber.
Is your Uber?
$5, please. 5 stars.
I'm gonna go here. What's up? What's up? It's been a while.
Hello.
Did I close that? How far is the drive? Oh, not bad. 10 minutes.
No, we're gonna shoot the Claytons.
Oh. Oh
You
shoot.
silly boy.
Oh god. How was the last week?
It was good. How was your wedding?
What wedding?
The
Oh!
wedding you went to.
Oh, Tyler's wedding. Oh, dude, it was. Dude, the food was so good. Holy.
Really?
Yeah.
Where did they cater from?
So they planned, both of them planned the wedding. So Tyler decided on which food to get. I'm not sure if he actually did, but I'm pretty sure he did.
Yeah.
But yeah, so they got, everybody got like a plate. So only a plate, but there is a lot of food in that plate. It's basically Texas barbecue and a Filipino lechon.
Oh, wow.
Holy crap, dude! I've never tasted like a brisket so good in my life, and the lechon was so good
You know
too.
which restaurant they catered from?
It was a barbecue place at Katy. Like 5 minutes away from my aunt's place, like legit 5 minutes away. And then I got a plate for my uncle, and then so he said like, he was like one of the best barbecue that he's had. It was so good, guys. Like I'm not gonna lie, better than Franklin's.
Really? We should go next time.
Better than Franklin's. Yeah, it's close to Asia Town. Like
Oh, nice.
15 minutes from Asia Town, Katy Asia Town.
It was
Yeah.
Filipino barbecue.
No, it was brisket barbecue. Like
American, it's still American.
yeah, yeah.
Oh.
yeah. So I'm not sure if the person that made it was actually like how do I say this without being like stereotypical, like white. Dude, I was on a call with Kay, and then some guy from California called me out of nowhere,
Okay.
San Mateo, California, and then like he left a voicemail,
Yeah.
like a 4-second voicemail, and then all he said was, because I didn't answer because I didn't know him, and then so all he said was like N-word, N-word, N-word,
Oh, what?
N-word, like N-word,
What?
N-word, N-word, and then he's white, I could tell. I'm gonna let you listen to it. Was it yeah, N-word, 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 and then somebody was trying to talk to him, and he's like, no, not you, it's this guy.
Is this a prank call?
I don't know, like, but I don't know him. I don't know anyone from San Mateo, California.
Yeah.
And then so
It's probably just a prank call.
it could be, and then so I blocked him, and then another number from San Mateo called me.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah, so
Is that the same thing?
no, they didn't leave a voicemail this time. Yeah, so I just let it be. But yeah, dude, things have gotten weird lately. Yeah. But yeah, how about y'all?
Nothing much. We've been getting really into golf.
I could tell.
Are you
Cindy
vlogging
went,
this?
Cindy
Yeah.
went to Leander, bro.
Dude, I drove
Y'all
all
went
the
to
way
Leander?
Look at
last
Leander
night.
for a golf thing.
There's a golf thing there?
No, there was like a ladies' night golf thing. And then I got there and it was all Asian. It was like
Koreans?
No, it was like one Korean, 2 Vietnamese.
No,
one
no,
Thai.
no need to like tally the Asian nations.
No, it was like crazy. I wasn't expecting it.
Really?
Yeah.
You bring all of them had their own clubs and stuff?
Yeah.
Damn,
Two
bougie.
of them were retired, and then they just golf like around the world.
Oh.
And then one of them was telling me, she's like, dude, you should go to Thailand to golf. Because she's like, it's so cheap. She's like, I paid like $20 for like a cart and a caddy. And then she's like, the views are
Oh
amazing.
wow.
Yeah.
They're rich? Oh, they're retired. They're
They're
retired.
retired, yeah. They worked in the government for like 30 years.
They're spies.
Yeah. And then one of the Vietnamese chicks I've met, she's so cool. She speaks Vietnamese, Mandarin, Chinese dialect, and English.
She's a spy.
And then we were like bonding over how I was trying to learn Mandarin again.
Yeah, she's a spy. Yeah. Golf is where she's getting all the intel. Yeah, yeah. I've never heard of a spy that doesn't play golf. But did you enjoy it? You enjoyed it?
Yeah, it was
So
fun.
this is like a regular thing, only in Leander or anywhere in Austin?
Well, they go to like just different golf courses around the area. So they went to Leander yesterday, and then I think they usually meet at like the indoor golf simulator.
Oh,
golf
like
meeting.
those things
Yeah,
where
yeah.
like you just shoot through
Yeah.
the tarp.
And then occasionally they'll pick out some golf courses to check out.
Mm.
But yeah, it's pretty chill.
Have you golfed around here in South Austin?
We're going tomorrow.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. We went with Judy and Alan last week.
Wait, which one's Judy and Alan again?
The one you were sitting across from him.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah.
Yeah. We played with them last week. That was fun.
Yeah, I was like, where did I meet them? Oh, yeah.
And then we signed up for like a $5 Austin golf membership. It's like $5 a year, and then you get to play at this golf course for $5.
Where?
Harvey Penick. I
Where
was
is
like,
that?
It's in East Austin. I was like, you could totally sign up too. It's so cheap.
There's how many golf places are here in Austin?
There's a bunch. Like Austin owns like a bunch of like city courses, so there's like 5 of them. And then if you're part of this program, like one of the golf courses to like give back to the community, they just let you play for like $5.
Like unlimited.
Yeah.
Oh,
You just have
wow.
to call them.
Oh,
It's crazy.
okay. Dude, where did you go?
Huh?
Where is this taking you? To Clayton's?
Yeah. But
Damn.
there's a car in front that's going really slow.
Oh, because this is a school zone, right?
Well, this is like insanely slow.
Oh, because of the bumps? Is it?
No, it's like a Kia Soul.
Is someone like?
No, but there's another one though that's really slow.
No, there's like two in the.
Oh, in the front.
I really want to honk.
In 600 feet,
Should I
turn
honk?
right.
Nah. Nah, dude, we're 2 minutes away.
Yeah. I'm so impatient.
How about you, Cody? How are the robots?
Dude, they're everywhere now. Taking over my life. Work is pretty much the same. Getting more busy now, but it's frustrating trying to get people to use AI or teach them how to use AI. And like a lot of them are really old people.
In your company?
Yeah. Our company's really old, so it's like everyone's like kind of resistant to change.
Yeah.
And my job is literally change.
Is that one of your job responsibilities? Is to like help them adopt?
Yep. Drive people, 6-year-olds to adopt.
Damn. How are you measuring the? Oh, okay. Yeah, this dude's like, yeah.
He is pissed off.
Damn. Oh, there's plenty of other cars behind you. Oh,
Yeah, I don't know why that car is so slow.
Is he just?
Oh yeah. He's purposely
Really?
he's purposely trying to
Why
like
would he do that? I'm
um
surprised he's not driving around him though.
no, cause like he's gonna cut off, like, you know what I mean? He's gonna block the other, yeah.
Oh, he just won't let people pass him.
Yeah.
That's
Why is
crazy.
he
Yeah, I think he was mad at that car behind him. The one like in front of the Kia Soul. Yeah.
It's kind of absurd. Like, people have shit to do.
Yeah, those are people that have lack of social awareness. It's kind of sad, right? And it's a Friday too, right? Oh shoot, houses here are pretty cute.
We were looking at
We're
this
looking at
house.
buying one.
This house, exactly this house.
Yeah, the one next door.
This one.
Oh, this one? It's
it's
just a
not
garage.
sale.
Oh,
Dang, it's been like months. It's been half
This
a
one was
year.
way overpriced. Actually.
Yeah.
hello, big boy. What's up, Clayton?
What's good?
What's up? How's visa, bro? How's visa, bro?
I've been chilling.
Y'all been chilling? Huh?
Has it been that long?
Since your birthday.
Chinese New Year.
Wait, no, it's been a month since your birthday. Right? Last time we saw you was for your birthday.
No. Seven.
No.
Oh yeah. Seven Spice. You never went to Seven Spice.
Oh yeah, happy
Yeah,
中秋节.
'cause we were
Late 中秋节.
we were
Yeah.
inside your house.
Yeah.
You went to San Francisco then?
Nah, I was just
That?
leaving on that day.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Oh, from San Francisco.
No, to San Francisco.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
You've been everywhere.
Yeah.
I say hi to the vlog.
I went
Hey.
to Boston. I didn't see you afterwards.
Yeah, and then you guys went. Well, you had a wedding.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright,
You
guys.
walked this whole entire trip.
No, I'll be back, guys, because this drive is kind of far. It's like 13 minutes, right?
Oh, we're gonna be there early.
Oh, yeah. I need a contingency plan. It's a very fast car.
I'm faster than it.
Nah.
Dude, watch.
That's all-wheel drive, bro. There's no way. Is this all-wheel drive?
That one's all. Mine's all-wheel drive. They're both all.
Yeah, but this one's all-wheel drive.
Did you feel it when I stepped on it?
No, dude. I felt it struggle. Yeah. Yeah, he's even hitting brakes, dude. He's even hitting brakes so that you could catch up.
Oh, this guy wants to race him.
Oh yeah, the Nissan Sentra.
Lexus.
It was a Lexus.
An old ass Lexus. But I got a spoiler though. Did I have a spoiler?
Dude, my car, I really tried to push it there. It did not go anywhere.
Oh, dude, did you guys hear whispers that Amazon's gonna lay off 25% of their?
Again?
What people do?
I'm not sure, but they said concentration would be mostly probably like HR.
I'm not surprised.
Yeah.
Not surprised.
AI's taking over everything, man.
Yeah.
Might as well let me off too.
No, dude, no. Who's gonna make
Don't
the?
say that.
Who's
Why
gonna?
would you say that?
Who's gonna make the old people use AI now?
Sorry. No, dude, it's so tough. Like, my company, everyone's so old, and I feel so bad because, like, they're so resistant to change.
Yeah.
And they're, like, so anti OpenAI. Like, they won't even use it for their own work, even if it makes it easier.
Why
They're
not
like,
Houston too. There's so many people and it's so hard to park. And it's like Houston. So yeah, guys, all those mini golf. It's called midget golf.
We honestly don't even need the fans today. It's like chill.
Yeah.
That's good.
right here, too. Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Oh, I don't need my glasses anymore too. I don't need my my original gentle monster.
They look good. They look good.
Thank you, thank you. I deserve nothing less. Just kidding.
Wow, what a back.
Well, Cody, you can practice your putting.
What did
I'm
you
gonna
get then?
change the shirt. And then I walked outside.
Why are you
and
sweaty?
I'm
What the heck?
like sweaty.
Ah, you're wet.
Oh, should we the pickleball set? Huh?
Do we need it?
It's not too busy right now.
Yeah. Because when they're Alright.
Ayan, Cindy. We're dancing.
It's so sad.
So it looks like. Ah, look at that, guys. Long ago. Oi! Huh? No, it's surf. There's no way they use real glass.
Slide the shit out of the ball.
There's no way. Pretend sand? It's actual sand. How could you pretend sand?
Yeah, it looks so fluffy.
Oh, it is a pretend sand. It is pretend sand. You're right. You're right.
No, it's snow. It's snow.
Pretend snow. Look, they even have pickleball. Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's what we bought.
This is not far from us.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Over there.
Jump over.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, this one's free.
Damn.
I'm actually surprised there's not as many people as I thought.
Oh, 1 versus 2? One.
Ooh.
You didn't bring it better.
Oh, you brought yours?
They have a. So it's called Pop Stroke, guys. Looks bougie.
Oh, you want to
I think it comes with it.
Yeah, I think. Yeah.
Wait, comes with it?
You guys want to eat
Yeah.
first, or you guys want
I want to eat first.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can tell them to meet us on the
Tayo pa.
There's a membership.
So cool. Get a table. Look at Clayton dancing. Let's go. What is that place?
It's all like a resort,
What is that place?
right? It's like a resort.
Is that like
I think it's a field for soccer. That's not first they play soccer. Yo, my hair is getting all messed up. I know.
It's
You just did your hair.
It's gonna dampen it again.
I lose all my bones. Oh, we have to scan? Alright. Nice to know ya. Let's do it again.
She almost sold me, dude. I almost got the membership.
Yeah, no, I was talking to Cindy because I looked at the fine print. That's why I pointed.
3 months.
3 months. $90, dude. Easy.
Oh, yes. And this is how they get us.
Right, what are we?
Wait in there.
I'm gonna get sick, yo.
Yeah, because of the wind.
Should we go back there?
There's a table here.
Yeah, go back
Over there, over
The
there.
seats over there?
The table over there.
So hungry.
That's what Cody ordered. Got
We
fries,
finished 9 holes and then we were
chicken
like, oh, we're
sandwich.
done. And he was like, dude, you have 9 more.
Oh, check out this place. It's kind of loud, but yeah, it's music, lots of people.
Maybe one.
It's our order, guys. I got a smash burger.
Did y'all need anything else?
So good. Thank you. They got truffle fries too. Truffle fries.
I got the.
All right, first taste.
There's a lot of staff here.
I know.
There's so many.
So attentive.
Oh, the truffle fries is so strong. Y'all want?
I'll take one.
Oh. Oh.
Oh yeah. Strong?
Yeah. Let me use my hands.
Oh my god.
Oh wow.
Not bad. Not bad.
Oi! Oi! Whoa! Thank you!
Thanks, Clay. Man, this chicken thing is massive.
Alright, first bite.
I got a.
Oh wow!
It's really good.
Really?
Alright guys, I'll finish the food. That's good.
Wow.
That's massive. Ah.
Very surprised.
We got Sal over here. What's up, Sal?
How you doing?
What's up, Vishnu? Hi, Brianna. Hello. I think Brianna's our only chance to get rich. Come on, can you finagle our taxes? No, just kidding. It's kind of hard though if you're not a LLC, right? It's kind of hard. But if we don't have like our LLC, like if you don't have an LLC and we're not making like self-pay, it's kind of hard, right? Because there's not a lot of like leeway if you're just like W2. Ah, okay. Okay.
I did get my CPA, but I don't remember any of it.
No,
Because I don't want to do anything at least.
all right, guys, time to play. Already full.
Are we gonna do pickleball
Are we pickleballing?
or volleyball?
Are we? What are we doing? Are you excited, Clayton? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you excited to kill us in the putt-putt? Look at this place, so cool. There's a pickleball. There's a pickleball. What do you call that? Court?
Yeah.
Pickleball court. And there's a what do you call this thing? A mini golf, midget golf.
Volleyball.
Oh, there's a volleyball, beach volley there. I think you guys can see that. There's a beach volley there. Wow, 대박. Oh, this is where we get it? Oh, this is where you get our clubs? Wait, how do we know the size?
I know the sizes. Yeah, I got
Oh, thank you.
This is probably the more universal adult size. It fits the most adults. So
Aha! I am not most adults. Thank you, thank you. Ah! 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 Cody! Sorry! Oh, Cody, you blocked it. Yeah. I wanna practice. Where's my ball? All right, Vishnu. That's what she said. All right, Clayton, where you at? Wow, 대박! All right, Sydney, where you at? Wait, does it matter which side?
Has to be this side.
It has to be the flat side. All right, Cindy. Whoa! All right. Cody.
Wait.
suck. Just kidding. Oh, you had to line up? Oh. Alright, let me try. Here.
How does the gimbal know you? Okay, fair enough.
You double click, the double click. This one? Yeah, double click this one. Yeah. The one.
Oh, sick. One more. All right. I got you, assist.
How are you?
It's a lot harder.
Usually. Ah.
Play in. Oh! It hit him. Did it hit him?
Whoa! How much you got, Clayton? 4? 3? Nice! You got this. Oi! Hey! Tiger South. Whoa! Second try? Damn! Alright, Cody. Let's go. Good. Nice. On, Brianna. Whoa! Ah! Let's go! Nice. Whoa! Oi! He just got stuck there. Let's go, Vishnu. Oh, Cindy. Oh, oh wow. Oh, boy. What are the odds? Oi. Nice one.
Off the top is hard.
Dang! Right. That was hard. Vishnu! Is it hard? Ah. Oh. I might get copyrighted. This song is too loud. Oh. Sir, you got some issues, sir. I got 3. Yeah. Whoa! Dum dum di dum dum. What?
You gotta practice like right.
Oi! Ah! Hala, you blunder!
I'm just gonna follow this line. I go right. I'm feeling right.
Let's go! Oi! You got it. Nice. Ah. What's up? 1, 2, 3. It's a video and a photo. Like, look. Ikot ka. Ori. One more. 1, 2, 3, smile. Alright, read it. Ah, fuck! You suck! Time check, it's 11:15. People are still playing. Holy crap.
We're at Street 4.
What's up, Cody? Yeah, champion right here. El Campeon.
49, baby.
49. I scored 52. I don't know what that means, but yeah. Alright, we're heading home, so I'll see you guys back home. Prebalita.
Hi guys, I am back at home. Sorry guys, hindi ako nakapag record the whole time because yeah, maingay dun, and yeah, I had so much fun, and it was my first time doing that thing. Nakakapagod. But anyways, I hope you had fun, and thank you guys a lot for hanging out with us, and till next time, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week or day or weekend or whatever, and nothing, basta ingat, bye bye.